Okay, we're down here at Port Aransas on the beach, mile marker 13, and it's time to fly kites for the spring. We've got the Surfside Flyers Kite Club, Coastal Band Flying Circus, and way down there by that red truck, see the red and black lady in the red black shirt, or it's got a red black. Anyway, it's the Austin Indigo Hunt team. They do kite flying performance kite flying. They got Rockport last month. So anyway, we're down here. We're going to be here all day. It's mile marker 13. Just gonna turn around here and we'll see if the audio is working better. Got one coming over to visit my wife. But anyway, we're going to let's go out and meet some of these guys. Got this one's dusted the beach for you. Make it nice and smooth. You don't want to get too close to him. He's putting up a string over here. So that's Lori and that's Tim with the back to us. They're going to launch the big lifter, red, white, and blue lifter. And you're going to have all these little goldfish here. So you got to be careful when you're walking through here. You never know what you're going to run into. You got these kite lines everywhere. So very cloudy today, very windy today. 18 to 20 miles an hour. Almost too windy. It'll take a while for them to get that one up. Let's go introduce you to this little family of kites over here. Got a little patriotic crab. Got some little piggies if you want to open up a bank. Got some piggy banks. This crab over here is happy to see me along with his friend Pooh. Oh, look at the little bird, Tweety bird. He's happy. These guys, that's all they do. They just kind of hang here and stay on the ground, bounce up and down. So, but we got all sorts of kites down there. See if I can zoom in. There you go. This whole beach on this stretch for about a mile is full of kites. So, if you're in Port Aransas today, we're going to be flying kites until after dark. We'll put up the LED kites at night and light up the sky. So he's trying to launch the. Here we go. Let's turn over that way. He's trying to get that guy. That's the one that rotates. I think that's Jeremy from Fly at Port A. Kite shop, Port Aransas. There we go. Maybe. Get enough wind to keep it up. So let's go here and I know it's a long video.